Are you interested in building a career in personal finance? Do you like the idea of helping people invest in mutual funds and grow their wealth? Well, then you may consider becoming a mutual fund distributor. Hi, I'm Saili Rai and welcome back to our channel Fin Cocktail. Today in this video, we're going to talk about a very important exam that will help you become a mutual fund distributor if you want to become one. As you may have guessed, Niyati and I both have given this exam multiple times, and today we're going to help you crack it. The exam I'm talking about is the NISM 5A certification, and it's the first step towards becoming an MFD. By the end of this video, you'll know everything there is to know about this exam, about AMFI, how to get certified as a mutual fund distributor. So chalo jaldi se subscribe kar lo aur pura video dekh lena. Let's start with the basics. What is NISM? It's the National Institute of Securities Markets. It was established in 2006 by SEBI, our Security and Exchange Board of India, because they wanted to enhance the quality of professionals in the Indian securities market. So they do a lot of things at the NISM. First things first is they hold certification examinations for all the professionals, which are usually mandatory for the securities market. They also offer continuing professional education programs for people associated with the securities markets. They offer capacity building activities and financial literacy initiatives. अगर आपको financial services या capital markets में कोई job चाहिए हो, तो NISM certifications can be very beneficial. Sometimes there are also a job qualification requirement at brokerage houses and even asset management companies. ये हुआ NISM. आगे आता है AMFI. AMFI is the Association of Mutual Funds in India. Now, this was also established under SEBI, but long before, in 1995. It basically represents all the asset management companies of SEBI-registered mutual funds in India. Now, the key difference is that AMFI is a non-profit organization. Its main role is to protect investors, promote transparency, and educate investors. AMFI is a self-regulatory organization that represents the mutual fund industry in India. अगर आपको म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर बनना है तो NISM का एग्जाम देने के बाद AMFI के साथ रजिस्टर करना पड़ेगा. Now getting back to what we're here to talk about today, the NISM certification. अभी आपको कुछ भी करना हो, equity, derivatives, mutual funds, investment advisory, the NISM has a certification for everything. But today we're here to focus on the NISM 5A exam. Now, what is this NISM 5A exam? It's also called the NISM 5A Mutual Fund Distributors exam. So simple, right? Self-explanatory. It's for people who would like to sell or distribute mutual funds in India. ये एग्जाम ये टेस्ट करता है कि आपके पास बेसिक नॉलेज है भी या नहीं कि आप म्यूचुअल फंड्स बेच पाओ. It covers topics like the basics of mutual funds, how they are distributed, and how one can recommend them to investors. There is also an NISM Series 5B examination, which is meant for a different group of mutual fund distributors. Now, the list is on your screen. If you do not fall under any of these categories, then this doesn't apply to you. So basically, अगर आप एक बेसिक यंग प्रोफेशनल हो जिनको म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर बनना है तो आपको सीरीज 5A ही देना पड़ेगा. तो इस एग्जाम में एग्जैक्टली आता क्या है? तो द NISM 5A exam tests your knowledge about the basic things, like your understanding about asset management companies, about the mutual fund industry, the products that are available, the risk factors, and the regulations involved. The breakdown of the main topics that you need to cover is on your screen. Now, the best part is whenever you go to the NISM website and register for this exam, the study material is handed to you on a silver platter. They give you a PDF that includes everything you need to know. You don't have to go hunting around for any extra material that's out there. आप एक्स्ट्रा रेफरेंस बुक्स खरीद सकते हो, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू अस द ऑफिशियल मटेरियल प्रोवाइडेड इज मोर देन इनफ टू प्रिपेयर यू. नाउ लेट्स टॉक लॉजिस्टिक्स. हाउ डू यू रियली रजिस्टर फॉर दिस एग्जाम और पैसे कितने लगेंगे? It's pretty straightforward. You have to go to the NISM website, the link for which is in our description. You have to create an account and book a slot for an exam at your nearest test center. The exam fee for the NISM 5A certification is 1,500 rupees. You have 2 hours to complete this exam and you have to answer 100 questions and get at least half of them right to pass the certification. The validity of this certification is 3 years. मतलब आपको 3 साल के बाद ये एग्जाम फिर से देनी पड़ेगी. तो exactly who should give this exam? Now, this exam is mandatory for mutual fund distributors in India. ये तो clear है. The other people who may want to give this exam are on your screen. Now, here's what everyone's been waiting for: how to crack this exam. Here are a few tips that will help you pass this exam on your first attempt. Number 1, understand the basics. Make sure you know the core concepts completely thoroughly. Number 2, use the official workbook. Finally, exam questions तो वहाँ से ही आएंगे. So make sure you use the official guidebook. Third, practice. Do all the mock tests that are available. To get a hang of it for exam day, focus on regulation. See, SEBI and AMFI regulations now are a big part of the exam. Don't skip this one. Last but not least, revise. देखो, एक बार पढ़ने से सब कुछ तो याद नहीं आएगा. तो make sure that you do your revision properly so that you are familiar with the concepts for exam day. Also remember, it's a pretty straightforward exam. So as long as you give yourself enough time to prepare, you'll be fine. Finally, becoming a mutual fund distributor. Now, mutual fund distributors now, in a way, are a bridge between investors and the asset management companies. They help the investors find the right mutual fund investment for them that aligns with their financial goals and risk tolerance. अब जो कोई एक ordinary investor होगा, तो 1000 से भी ज़्यादा mutual fund schemes है, उसमें से 5-10 कैसे select करेगा? Mutual fund distributors help them do just the same. They also hold their hand through monitoring their portfolio, redemption, even rebalancing. Mutual fund distributors can be individuals like you and I, or entities like banks and financial advisory firms. Now, they earn commissions on whatever they sell. So, if you're good at financial planning and client relationships, this can be a very rewarding career. Now, to become a mutual fund distributor in India, you need to do 3 things. Number 1 is to pass the NISM Series 5A exam, which I've already told you how to do. Number 2 is to get your ARN by registering with AMFI. And number 3 is to get empaneled with mutual funds or to join an online mutual fund distribution platform. Bas, that's it. Then you can start helping investors invest in mutual funds through you. If you have any questions, jaldi se comments mein pooch lo and we'll get back to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this video and we'll see you in the next one.
Preview.